जी कोई नहीं इशू पे
Bilal Sajid. Respected audience and my honor, the topic of speech is love of last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is condition of faith. No doubt, every Muslim has great sentiments and love for Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And if we are saying that love of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is condition of faith, so we have to follow his teachings, culture and message, because Islamic culture should be our pride. Let me explain first that what is Islamic culture. Islamic culture is the name of submission to the will of Allah. No doubt, Islamic culture provides beautiful manners, practices like salat, hajj, zakat, and respect of humanity. Islamic culture teaches tolerance, peace, love, and the best way of life. But, my honor, today we are saying that Islamic culture is our pride. That is really obvious, as Christians are proud to their Christianity, Hindus are proud to their Hinduism, Jews are extraordinarily proud of their own culture, even atheists are proud of their atheism. So being a Muslim, we say that Islamic culture is our pride. But this is the actual problem, that we used to talk much on Islamic culture, on Islamic values, on the dignity of Islam. But practically, we are zero. The question is that, are we really following Islamic culture? Are we really practice Islam in our life? My honor, let me say the misuse of WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook, Twitter are not the teachings of Rasul. Jeans and t-shirts is not the culture of Islam. Nightclubs and dance parties aren't the part of Islamic culture, but we're doing that all. My honor, according to us, we love the teachings of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we used to celebrate Valentine's Day. According to us, Islamic culture is our pride, and we are playing Holi. My honor, it is easy to say. It is really easy to say that I love my Prophet. I can sacrifice my life for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. But practically, we are not following our Prophet. My honor, I heard that the face is index of mind. Our Holy Prophet had a bird on his sacred face, but our clean-shaved faces are not presenting the teachings of Rasul. Dear audience, two of trade seldom end. We have to decide. This is not time to talk. This is time to prove, as it is never too late demand. And if you are really saying that the love of last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is condition of faith, so we have to follow his teachings, culture, and message, and we should be a very good Muslim. Thanks.